Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a lovely creamy pesto chicken, a simple recipe yet very satisfying, and we need a minimal ingredients. It takes about 20 minutes or less. It's so easy to make at home. So here is my version of creamy chicken pesto. Let's get started. Ingredients for pesto chicken. First, let's marinate the chicken. I have got 300 grams of boneless chicken. To that, I'm adding quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoons of pesto paste. This is store-bought paste. It's a blend of basil leaves, garlic, pine nuts, cheese and olive oil. 1 tablespoon of plain flour, that is all-purpose flour. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Let it marinate for a minimum of 20 minutes. While the chicken is getting marinated, let's make a paste. For that, in a pan, add about a tablespoon of oil. This is 2 onions roughly chopped. We are going to grind all these ingredients, so no need to chop them fine. Half inch of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 green chilies and 10 cashew nuts. Fry them for about a minute. To this, I'm adding a cup of spinach and some coriander leaves. Keep sauteing it for 2 more minutes. This is done. Turn off the flame. Keep it aside. Let it cool down. Into the same pan, add some oil and add the marinated chicken and fry on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. Again, this will cook in the gravy. This is almost done. Transfer it to a bowl. To a blender, add spinach onion mixture, add some water and grind into a smooth paste. Your ground mixture should be nice and smooth like this, then you'll get a creamy gravy. To a pan, add some oil and butter. To this, add the ground spinach paste. Fry this for a while. It's already half cooked, so 2 minutes will be good enough. Now the gravy is getting thick, so adjust it with some water or stock. This is 1 cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, just take a chicken cube, put it in a cup of hot water, mix and add it to the gravy. Once the gravy starts to boil, add the fried chicken, cover and simmer it for a minute. This is done. Add some fresh cream, give a nice mix and turn off the flame. There you have it, delicious creamy pesto chicken. This is amazing. You must definitely try it. Serve hot with some nice hot rice or even with bread or pasta. Before serving, add a dollop of butter and some fresh cream. I hope you find this recipe useful. If so, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.